Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. It's now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for guard. Kids, neither H. The alphabets of H and use yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for kite. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nest. Kids, neither O. The alphabets of O and use blue color. Blue color. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for quill. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. Kids, neither U. The alphabets of U and use black color. Black color. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yo-yo. This is Z. Z for zebra. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. So kids, neither numbers and first state of 1 and use green color. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5. Kids, neither 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H T 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10. The numbers of 10. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The last numbers of 15. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. So kids, now you draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E and use red color. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for God, G for glass. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use yellow color. K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, neither N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N and use green color. O. O for orange, O for octopus. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids, neither S. S for sun, S for snake. the alphabets of S and use black color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V. V for van, V for vanilla. It's neither W. W for wallet, W for watch, and U is blue color. Blue color. X. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. It's neither numbers, and first letter 1, and here is red color. The numbers of 1, O, N, E, 1, 2, T, W, O, 2, 3, T, H, R, W, 3, 4, F, O, U, R, 4, 5, F, I, V, E, 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6 and U is yellow color. S, I, X, 6, 7, S, E, V, E, and 7, 8, E, I, G, H, D, 8, 9, N, I, N, in 9, 10, T, E, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.